Caravan and Sophia. Today I share with you RV ventilation fan with LED light. There is a lifting knob. Turning it clockwise can open the lid, and turning it counterclockwise can close the lid. There is an operation panel. This is the power on button. These two are the air volume adjustment buttons. This is the two-way ventilation button. When the fan blade is running, press this button, and the system will stop the fan blade. After 20 seconds, the fan blade will automatically enter the reverse operation. There is also an LED light switch to control the 4 LED lights around. That's all for today's sharing. See you next time.